Hi, eighth graders. Here's your little how-to on the math assignment that you got today, Monday, April 27th. It starts off like this. This is part two. You'll be automatically making a copy when you open this. Here's a little how-to video. So it'll be linked here as soon as I get it up onto YouTube. So we'll start off by, there's a video here. There's one to watch first and then there's one to watch second. I have the vocab that was from last week already in there, but when you watch the videos, you're going to learn what a transversal is and what congruent means and all of those kinds of things. You'll just be able to double click in here and start typing. It'll type for you and everything. If you can't quite get the definition from the videos, feel free to just Google the definitions and make sure they make sense with what you're doing. The next page is a little graphic. So if you're like exterior, interior, what were they talking about? All of these angles are on the outside of these parallel lines. And these ones are on the inside because they're in between them. And then I just had a couple of things that just kind of, a little more colorful and a little more helpful. So you'll start off by using those vocab words, and I'll say, hey, angle 1 and angle 2, those pairs together are what type of angles? You'll help, and I help you out pretty frankly with those definitions that are there. Only these things are only true because those two lines are parallel, and I'm telling you that just so you know. So you'll do that for 2 slides, excuse me. Then I've got these little circles. So it says that you'll see that you're going to put blue circles around all of the angles that are equal to angle 1. And so you'll just come over here, grab a circle, and you'll tell me which other angles are equal. You'll also do the same with the red squares. Okay, so the red squares are all the ones that are equal to angle 2. So you're just dragging them over. The next one here is if I tell you what one angle is, believe it or not, you can find all of these other angles with really, really simple math. So I'm saying, hey, if you know this is 65, what's angle 8? You don't even have to do any math for that. Hint, hint. And then I'll say, okay, well then what's angle 5? So you'll come over here and give me angle 5. And you'll be able to double click, type in there. Totally new graphic, but you're doing the same general thing. You'll probably be using different rules, but that's okay. Same here. Then I have a challenge one. I have a video to help you out, but the video that, the first video you watch will also help you out with this. I should probably type that in there. And then here we have, I'm just labeling that is angle B, this angle right in here. That's the one I want you to find the angle of. And then this one, you're finding X, but then you're also plugging X back in to find that one. Okay? Please email me with questions and be specific if you could. Don't send me an email that says, Mrs. Carlson, I don't get it, because I'll have no idea what you're talking about and I can't help you. The number one thing that I want you to do if you do have questions is show up to those study hall meetings, because that's exactly what they're for. Because I do not expect you guys to be perfect at this and learn from videos. You've never done that before. But I do expect you to ask questions and be specific and do all those things that I know that you can do. Okay? And definitely come to that study hall if you can. Thanks, everybody. Hope this helps. Bye.